from huge open pit mines by drilling and blasting with explosives, and the ore is transported using giant dump trucks. Now step 2, grinding. In grinding, the ore is crushed in a series of cone crushers to break the large rocks of ore into smaller pieces, and the crushed ore is then grounded even smaller by using 3 froth flotation. The slurry is placed in a tank, and a process called froth flotation is used to separate the copper minerals from the waste material. The concentrated ore is heated in a reverberatory furnace by passing excess of air. During roasting, moisture and the volatile impurities like sulfur, phosphorus, arsenic, etc. are removed as volatile oxides. Now step 5, smelting. Now the copper concentrate is fed into a furnace along with silica material called a flux. Flux is added to the ore to make it melt more easily. % copper by weight. Now step 6, bismurization. The molten matte is drawn from the smelting furnace and poured in a second furnace called it, and it is called copper blister. Now step 7, electrolytic refining. The molten copper is poured into the molds to form large electrical anodes which acts as positive terminals for electrolytic refining process. Each copper anode is placed in individual tanks or cells, and another sheet of pure copper is placed on the opposite end of the tank to act as the cathode or negative terminal. The tank is filled with acidic copper sulfate solution which acts as an electrical conductor between the anode and cathode. When electric current is passed through the terminals, the copper is stripped off from the anode and it is deposited on the cathode. Most of the remaining impurities form as slime at the bottom